Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Reggae Boyz head coach Steve McLaren says a lapse in concentration resulted in Jamaica losing 1-0 to Guatemala in their opening CONCACAF Gold Cup Group C match on Monday night at the Dignity Center in California in the USA. Oscar Santis scored the lone goal of the game in the 32nd minute to give the Guatemalans victory, their first against Jamaica since 2012. McLaren assessed the team's performance.
With the crowd behind them, I think they fought like lions. They really had a big desire to win that game, to win the duels, to be aggressive, to really be in our face. And we got through the first 30 minutes, but we switched off just for a moment. Didn't deal with quite a simple ball, and when it got down, and it's always going to be difficult then. And with something to hold on to, that's what they did. We knocked at the door. We did everything we possibly could. We had crosses going in the box. We had efforts on goal. They had blocks, they shots.
Meanwhile, McLaren is fully aware that Jamaica, who are now at the foot of Group C, will need to rebound quickly if they are to advance.
What we've got to do now is turn that around and make sure that we react on Friday and make sure that we prepare properly. And really the reaction is we have to win on Friday and a little bit impose ourselves and make sure we do.
And the Reggae Boyz will next face Guadeloupe on Friday. Panama beat Guadeloupe 5-2 in the other Group C match on Monday. West Indies captain Shea Hope says that the power play overs continue to be a concern for the team with both bat and ball. The West Indies wrapped up their tour of the UK with a comprehensive 62-run win over Ireland on Sunday, taking the series 1-0 on the back of half-centuries from Hope and Evan Lewis. It followed a 3-0 whitewash from England in both the T20s and one-day internationals.
Well, one thing that you can look at, stats don't really lie, and we've been struggling to get out the power play. 2, 3, 4 wickets down on some occasions as a batting unit, and then with the ball is the same thing flipped. So we struggle to take wickets in the power play to put other teams under pressure.
Sunday's win was only the second for the Windies in their last 11 T20 internationals. The 5-match T20 series against Australia starts on July 20 at Sabina Park. And Jalen Williams scored a career playoff high 40 points. MVP Shea Gilgeous-Alexander added 31 as the Oklahoma City Thunder moved to within one win of the NBA title by beating the Indiana Pacers 120-109 in Game 5 of the finals on Monday night. It was the 10th time the Thunder Stars combined for more than 70 points in a game. Williams was 14 of 24 from the field and Gilgeous-Alexander added 10 assists. Pascal Siakam had 28 points and TJ McConnell added 18 for the Pacers. Pacers star guard Tyrese Haliburton seemed to have suffered a leg injury in the first quarter and despite continuing to play only scored 4 points. Game 6 is on Thursday night in Indianapolis. And that is it for your midday sports roundup, and I am Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Jermaine, and that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.